Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of our 2020 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sports. This model is still under shrink wrap, which we will soon remove, but just wanted to still get some information out there as to how this boat is equipped. This boat has the full hull light blue gel coat, so you can see the entire portion of the hull is in the light blue color. It has the chrome graphics with the silver model designator, which looks really sharp, especially with the blue hull color. It has a 40 horsepower four-stroke from Mercury. It does have the high bow rail. It has a sun top, or the bimini top, with black canvas, and does include the trailer without brakes. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Always visit us online at MarineMax.com. And again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston just off Daniel Island. Thank you.